I participated in a Smart India Hackathon and I got project from ISRO. And there also I used LSTM, convolutional LSTM, this kind of algorithm for developing a machine learning project.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm Abhishek. I welcome back you all to my channels. And today on my YouTube channel, I have a special guest. So let's invite Amritanjali. Okay. So hey Amritanjali, how are you doing?
Yeah, hi, I'm doing good. How are you, say?
Yeah, I'm also quite good. So guys, I think you are quite excited to know about Amritanjali, right? So hey Amritanjali, can you give our viewers a quick introduction?
So hello everyone, I'm Amritanjali and currently I'm working at Microsoft and previously I worked at Walmart and previous to that I did two internships. One is at TCS, that was a research internship in the domain of AI/ML, and the second one is NCR Corporation, that was a software and engineering related internship, basically development related internship. Yeah, and also I used to create a content for Newton School. I am running two YouTube channel. My first channel is Think Like a Coder, Newton School, and the second channel is Amritanjali. So yeah, I also used to create content, and I also used to put lots of content at LinkedIn also. Yeah.
That, that's really great, guys. And you not only, I also follow her on YouTube channel and LinkedIn. So I suggest you all to follow her. I'll drop the link in the description section. Her content are really good and nice. So that's really great to know, Amritanjali. You have several YouTube channels and all that. Okay. So Amritanjali, I have heard and as we discussed, you are quite interested in machine learning. So can you explain me your journey on machine learning?
Yeah, so actually, I started learning machine learning in my end of the second year, and I used to do lots of work related to machine learning project, and I did lots of projects related to machine learning. Like I participated in a Smart India Hackathon, and I got project from ISRO, and there also I used LSTM, convolutional LSTM, this kind of algorithm for developing a machine learning project. Like I did a project where I can able to detect the next cloud on the basis of previous cloud data. Like if you are having a 10 cloud in the sequence and if you have to predict the 11th cloud, then I built one project that can predict the 11th cloud on the basis of previous data. So this is all about ISRO project experience, and also I did several project on different classification, computer vision related project, and the next big project I did during my internship at TCS, where I did one project. That project was to detect the features in fingerprints. So basically, we used to have lots of fingerprints. We have to predict force and delta. These are the feature of fingerprint, and if we have to predict this feature, then we can use different machine learning architecture like UNet and YOLO algorithm, and I use this to predict the features and object in the fingerprint. Yeah, so there are lots of projects I did. These are the major projects I did during my internship and during my let's say ISRO project duration. Yeah, that's all.
Awesome, awesome. That was really great. A great experience in machine learning. So a lot of people are interested in machine learning. Could you guide them through and explain them what is the scope of machine learning so that they can also get excited and quite interested?
Yeah, sure. So basically, like machine learning, blockchain, cybersecurity, these are the domain which is really interesting, and generally fresher used to find lots of interest in this kind of domain. But if you see the reality, then if you will find 99% of job, then you will find 99% of job in the software industry, software development domain, and only 1 to 2% job in this domain like machine learning and cybersecurity and blockchain kind of thing. But still this is a really interesting field, so if you want to pursue this field, then yes, you can start learning different algorithm related to machine learning. Basically we generally use Python for different, like we generally use Python in machine learning, but I personally use C++ during my TCS internship, because main reason is that if you will developing something, then this should be a fast, and if you will simply see the OpenCV, then OpenCV Python is much slower than OpenCV C++. So that's why there are two major language that that use lots of time during the machine learning, and that are Python and C++. Yeah, so first of all learn Python and also learn C++, and then learn different algorithm, how you can build a model, what is feature map kind of thing. So try to understand the data, because machine learning is all about data. First you have to actually we have to predict something from the data. So try to understand how data works. So basically this is all about how you can learn machine learning. You can find different sites, you can find lots of hackathon that generally used to happen at the platform of Hacker Earth. I personally participated in lots of hackathon of Hacker Earth, and in lots of time I was in top 100 also. So yeah, and you can find lots of hackathon of like this. There is a platform KAGGLE Kaggle, and in that platform also you can find several hackathons, and you can find lots of data sets. Like Kaggle is really good for data set. And also if you want to find research paper, like machine learning is something about you are having a research paper and you have to implement that research paper by using different programming language and kind of thing, and different architecture and different open source libraries like TensorFlow, Keras kind of thing. So there is a research get this is a website where you can find lots of research paper. And also there is a paper with code kind of website. I can't remember exact name, I will put the name in the description. These are the website really helpful for learning machine learning. But in short, I would like to say that machine learning domain is not having lots of opportunity. Like I did my internship at TCS, and that was also rare. Generally we used to get around 5 to 10% project in the domain of machine learning, and lots of project you will find in the domain of software development, like website development, app development kind of thing. And for the job purpose, I found job in one to two startup in a machine learning domain. And if you will consider out the big company, then in the big company I got a test link from ByteDance. That was a ByteDance Singapore, and from that company I got test link for the machine learning domain. And after this test, after giving the test, I solved almost all questions, but I never heard back from the recruiter. So this is something I only found only one opening in the you can say like a very big company, that was at the ByteDance Singapore. Generally we don't have lots of opening in this domain. But after some year of experience, or if you have done master, then you will find several opening and several opportunity in the machine learning domain. But still this is less than the opening and the opportunity you will find in the software engineering domain. Yeah, so you can also plan for master, you can do MS by clearing GRE kind of thing. I posted one video in my channel where I have explained how you can prepare for GRE. Like one of my friend is doing MS from USA, and he explained how he cleared GRE. So yeah, for the machine learning, if you are doing master at some reputed institute, then you will get lots of opportunity. But for fresher level, we generally get very less opportunity in the domain of machine learning. And also one thing you can do, you can join any company. Like if you are joining Google, then you can join Google as a software engineer, and after working a year or a few months, you can switch the team. You can switch team from development to machine learning. So this is also possible. So you will have a three path: either directly join any machine learning company where you will get very less opportunity. Second chance is that you can do MS, and then after join any company where relatively you will get high probability of getting a offered from machine learning project and team. And the third opportunity, you can join any company, and after working few years, you can move to the machine learning domain project and machine learning related team. So these are all I can say about machine learning domain.
It's really great and quite informative, guys. Okay. And one important thing that I can tell you, like in case if you want to get started with Python, I just started a tutorial on Python. Do check them out. I will also put the description and the link in the description. So it was really great, Amritanjali, and it was quite informative. I thank you a lot for providing such information to our viewers. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and Amritanjali channel. Okay. And as you know, this video was brought to you with the help of Newton School. So in case, guys, if you are quite interested to build a great career in tech, here is a great opportunity for you guys. We are just about to start our batch in the month of March. So please click on the link that is present in the description and join it, and you will get all the information related to the batch. That's all. Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.